I believe this is his FEC 920. Early bird train. Gates at 512 East are down, as you can hear the horn. Bells will ring right behind me soon, depending on how slow this train is actually going. Hey! We had idiot number 1, and then so forth, idiot number 2. But no worries, they will get slowed down by a school zone. Leading this train with a TTX boxcar on the top. Look at that rock. Good looking rock. Well, those two idiots couldn't wait for something as small as that. But smart people do. How about that? EOT at 8:45. It's BBT 609. You're at County Road 512 West on the Florida East Coast Main Line. You guys have a safe trip for the crew of FEC 920. Look, listen, and live. And don't become those two idiots. Out.